I got my first pair of Ti bars. Let's unbox them now. I got my first ever Ti bars, and they are the Trynyty Ti bars. Trynyty is one of the like home brands, because you know, gotta represent Canadian brands. Yeah, and I got this sick ass fucking Stay Rad shirt sent to me too. Because, you know, gotta represent Stay Rad when I scoot. Let's go get this build started. I got the Trynyty bars. Ti. Actually, don't scratch. We got Willow MV grips. One of the best. Honestly, I recommend these grips for anybody who like gets vibrations through their bars. These are a little bit thicker and they're a little bit longer. Honestly, I would not ever ride any other grip. And we are putting on the Essex Legion 4 with a tilt. I think it's a simple clamp. Yeah, let's get to it now. It's a long bolt. Hallelujah. Headset. Fork. Stay rad. Okay, so, problem averted. So the problem was, I don't ever ride without a dust cap. And this clamp has a dust cap. I stole it off this scooter right here. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to raw this eventually. But for now, it'll work. So I'll have a dust cover because I'm that kid that doesn't like to spend money that I don't need to spend. If I can keep my headsets good, I'll keep my headsets good, right? Makes sense to me. Okay, back to the speed plane now. Oh, it does fit them. That looks sick. Gotta put the sponsor on the clamp, because, you know, new parts. Is that in the center? Not even close. It's gonna bug the crap out of me if it's not in the center. Oh my god! Ugh. Oh, my fork's not backwards. Hold up, wait a minute. Put a little liquor in it. Oh! There we go. Oh shit, we pressed it. Brute force and ignorance always prevails. Be gentle with them until I go riding at least. There you go. One more for good measure. I have like a fucking 7-pound fucking street scooter. This is gonna be awesome. That's another reason why I like these thick grips. They're so easy to put on. Like, when you just like squish the air bubbles out of them. Thanks for tuning in. This has been my unboxing video and my custom build. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share.